Hi guys, I'm Sushmita from Miss Pink Shoes and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Bath and Body range by Nykaa. So Nykaa has been putting out a lot of products recently and I have all of them. So I'm going to review them in parts. So if you guys want to see more reviews, then don't forget to comment and let me know. Today's video is going to revolve around their Bath and Body range. So that range has a shower gel, a lotion, and a fragrance mist. So the variant that I picked is the French lavender variant because I love the smell of lavender. It's my favorite floral smells. So that's why I went for this. They do have other variants that you guys can check out. So when I bought this, all of them were on a discount. So if you buy them as a combo, it's gonna cost you a little lesser. And when I bought it, it did have a discount going on. But otherwise, I'm going to talk about the products specifically, individually, with their pricing and everything. So before I get to the review, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and if you're already subscribed, then do hit on that bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video. So without any further delay, let's get started with the review. So first I'm going to start out with the shower gel. So the shower gel is priced at rupees 450 for how much? For 300 ml of product, which is pretty decent. So first I'm going to talk about the packaging. So now I like the bottle, like the cap. So when you open it up like that, the product comes out from here, and when you shut it, it's sealed. No matter what you do, no matter how much you turn it around, it is not gonna fall. So that's a good thing. It's a very secure packaging and it's great if you're traveling also. The size is also pretty decent. Generally body washes come in like big packagings, and I don't personally like it because I don't want to use the same product for a very long time. I do want to try out new products, and especially when it comes to traveling with them, it becomes such a pain. So this is great for that. At least for a person like me who likes to switch things over, this quantity works well. But I don't like the bottle. So if you can see, when I'm squeezing it, it's going all the way in. So it's a very thin, cheap plastic, which I don't like. So the price I'm paying is 450, which is not very inexpensive. I've seen body washes for like 150-200 bucks at Health and Glow, and they have a much better bottle. So I don't like the quality of the bottle at all. It just makes me feel like I'm using a cheap product. So I do have an issue with that. But otherwise the packaging is decent, nothing too fancy going on, which is okay. So now coming to the product itself. So this has a very gel-like consistency. Generally I've seen body washes with a very liquidy or runny consistency. So the moment if you take it on your hand and do that, it's gonna flow down. But this just slips off your hand. I'm just gonna show you guys. So this is what the consistency looks like. So it's a very thick gel-like consistency, if you can see. So right now my hands are dry, so it's flowing down. But when you have wet hands, which is what you have in a shower, this is just gonna slip off, which I don't like. But it's not like a bad thing. It's okay for products to be like that. So you have to be kind of careful when you use it. So the moment you take it onto your hand, you just have to mix it like that and then apply it, otherwise it's gonna slip right off. But it's not really a problem. I don't see it as a bad side. The fragrance is amazing, guys. Like the way it smells, it's just amazing. If you're somebody who likes lavender, you're gonna love this because it has like a really nice mild lavender smell, and when you use this, you are gonna have that smell onto your body for a while. So I tried this product solo, I tried it with the other products, and the smell does stay. So what I like about this product the most is that it does not dry out my skin at all. At times when I try using body washes, some of them make my skin really dry, and my skin feels very cracked and dry. But this does not do that. In fact, it moisturizes my skin. My skin feels very soft after I use this, and not just right after I use it, the whole day my skin is feeling soft. So that's something that I love about this. So apart from the small problems that I have, overall the product is really amazing. I would definitely repurchase this, but not right now because I'm in that point where I want to try out different products, new products. So that's why I wouldn't repurchase this. But otherwise, definitely a thumbs up. Except for the small issues that I have, I think the product itself is amazing and you should give this a try. The second product that I'm going to be talking about is the body lotion, again in the French lavender variant. So coming to the packaging, it has a pump, which is my most preferable packaging option for body lotions because I feel like it's mess free, it's very convenient, and it gets locked. So So when you twist it around, you can get the product out, but when you twist it shut, no matter what you do, the product won't come out, which is a good thing. And again, the bottle is slightly cheap. So when compared to the shower gel, the bottle is thicker, but still it's a very, squeezable bottle. That's something that I don't like. So before I get into the product, I'm going to talk about the pricing. This is priced at rupees 500 for 300 ml of product, which is again pretty decent. Not too cheap, not too expensive. But for the price, I feel the bottle could have been better, because I've tried on Vaseline, Parachute and Nivea and so many brands. The body lotions are much cheaper and they have a much more sturdier bottle. So that's the thing that I have an issue with, but it's still okay, something that you can manage with. Now coming to the product itself, the consistency is kind of runny, if you can see. So it is a very lightweight, light feeling body lotion. So if you are somebody from the normal to oily or slightly dry kind, this would work for you. But if you have proper dry skin or extremely dry skin, then this will not be enough for you. You will want to reapply it because it is lightweight. It moisturizes your skin, but it does not give it that intense moisturization that dry skin needs. So this is okay for people who have regular skin or maybe oily or slightly dry. But if you have a drier skin, then this is not going to work for you. The smell again is really good. The smell does stay onto your skin for like 4 hours properly, and after that it starts to fade away, but it still leaves like a mild hint of smell. So you're not going to be smelling bad for a really long time unless you sweat a lot. So the smell is great. It provides a decent amount of moisturization. For me, not the best moisturizer, because I do have really dry skin, especially my elbows tend to get really dry. So this is not something that I would want to repurchase. But if you are somebody who has normal needs, does not want intense moisturization, you can definitely give this a try. The third product is their fragrance mist. Now this is priced at rupees 700 for 250 ml of product. I feel that it's a little expensive. So now coming to the packaging, again the same cheap plastic bottle. I don't like it, especially I'm paying 700 bucks. I would expect a better bottle. And the cap, right now it's tight, but when I carry it around, it does tend to open up. But this is very good, like the pump mechanism is really good, so it does not leak, and it's a nice sturdy pump. So when I spray it, there's an even amount that's being spread out, which is good. The smell, guys, oh my god, the smell is amazing. Now definitely the smell is much stronger than the body lotion and the shower gel, for obvious reasons, because this is a body mist. But the issue is that it does not stay on for a very long time. It stays on like for 3 hours, I suppose, or maximum 3.5, after which it starts to fade away. And I do have odor issues. I want something that will really last on my body, and I do find the need to reapply this over and over again, because the fragrance does not really last. But the good thing is that it is very travel friendly, and I do carry it around in my college bag all the time, so I can quickly spritz it all over. I love the smell, guys. Like the fragrance has my heart to it, and that's why I'm gonna use this again and again, because I love the fragrance. I think it smells divine, and I will repurchase this because I love the smell. Like it's solely because of the smell. If the smell wouldn't be this good, I wouldn't buy it again, because it does not last onto my skin. I feel like it's a little too pricey, and for the price, the bottle is a little too cheap. I'm just going to compare it with a body mist that I sort of have. So this is the Layer Water Girl body mist. Now this has 135 ml and it's for 195 rupees, and this has 250 ml, sorry, and it's priced at rupees 700. And the bottle of this one is much better than this. So yeah, packaging wise, I'm not the happiest with any of the three, because they are very cheap, and for the price that we are paying, I feel like they should be giving us better bottles. But this one, solely on the basis of the fragrance, I'm definitely going to repurchase this. And if you're a person who loves lavender just like I do, you are going to love this. So yes, if you love lavender, if you love the smell of lavender, definitely give this a go. But if you are somebody who does not like lavender that much, then I feel like you don't want to spend that much on a product like this. So that's it for this video, guys. I really hope you guys liked it, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, the link is down below. If you want to see more reviews from me, then don't forget to comment and let me know, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.